Hi, my name's Cody, and today we'll be covering the definition of integer multiplication. For this exercise, we'll consider two integers, a and b. In the first circumstance, if both a and b are less than 0, being negative numbers, then the product of a times b will be equal to the absolute value of ab. This will be a positive number. If both a and b are greater than 0, positive numbers, then the product of a times b is also equal to the absolute value ab, positive number. However, if either a or b is less than 0, but not both, so if you have one positive number and one negative number, then the product of a times b equals the negative absolute value of AB. So you have a negative number. Let's try this with some practical exercises. First, let's try two positive integers. 2 times 6. We can recognize that this is equal to 12. And now, if we use two negative numbers, negative 2 multiplied by negative 6, we can recognize the rule above, that is equal to the absolute value of the product. So it will be a positive number, being 12. However, if only one of the numbers is negative, negative 2 times 6, we can recognize this as being negative 12. This applies the rules of integer multiplication. But how do we know when it should be negative and when it should be positive? A good rule is to count the number of negatives in your multiplication problem. So let's consider 3 numbers. If there is an even amount of negative numbers, then your answer will always be positive. So in this example, I have highlighted the negative numbers, negative 2 and negative 1. These negatives cancel each other, and the product is positive 6. If we were to change this to have only one negative number in the example, then negative 2 times 3 times 1 will be negative 6. I hope this has helped you understand the multiplication of integers. Thank you.